How to see most recent post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To see the most recent post on your Facebook, all you need to do is launch a Facebook application in your mobile device. Now in here, make sure that you are logged in into your account. If not, go ahead and sign in into your account ASAP. Once you are logged in into your account, navigate to the three horizontal lines that you will see at the very top of your feed. Go ahead and click on it. Now in the menu section, you will see the option of feed. It must be at the very top. Select it. Now in this section, you will find all of the recent posts from your friends or the pages that you have followed or liked. As you can see, the most recent one was posted 35 minutes ago. So this is how you can check all of the recent posts on Facebook in one section. Isn't it convenient? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll be right back with a new video very soon.